Click Analyze, select Descriptive Statistic and Cross-tab. Select Performance and move it into the Rows box. Select Stress and move it into the Columns box. Click the Statistic button. Select chi-square, then click the Continue button. Click the Cell button. Select Expected Row, Standardized, and click the Continue button. Then click the Format button. Select Descending, then click the Continue button. Select the Display Cluster Chart button, then click OK. The results of chi-square test are presented in tables and a bar chart. Let us elaborate the result. Let me enlarge the table. The result of chi-square test is tabulated in a contingency table with stress at the column and performance at the row. The first row presents high performance across the three stress categories. Among 40 high-performance respondents, a majority of them, 33 or 82.5% of them, are at moderate stress level. A small number, 5 respondents or 12.5%, are at low stress level. Only 2 respondents or 5% are at high stress level. The results show that more than 80% of high-performance respondents possess moderate stress. Only 17.5% possess low or high stress. Now we move to the low performance category. Among the 40 low performance respondents, a small number, 3 or 7.5%, are at moderate stress level. 18 respondents or 45% are at low stress level. 19 respondents or 47.5% are at high stress level. These results show that more than 92.5% of low performance respondents possess low and high stress. Only 7.5% possess moderate stress. Then we move to the standardized residuals. Standardized residuals indicate the association between categories in the first variable stress with the categories in the second variable performance. The association is indicated by the positive residual value. For performance, high performance is associated with moderate stress, with standard residuals equal to 3.5. Low performance is associated with low stress, with standardized residual equal to 1.9, and high stress with standard residual equal to 2.6. Then we move to the chi-square test table for hypothesis testing. In hypothesis testing, we refer to the Pearson chi-square values. The significant value of chi-square test 0.000 show that the chi-square test result is significant. Chi-square is equal to 46.11 and p less than 0.05. We make a decision that the research hypothesis is true and the null hypothesis is rejected. This means there is a significant relationship between stress and performance among the final year students in the university. Then we move to the bar chart. To get the frequencies of the chart, double-click the bar chart. Click the Data Label Mode button. Click on each chart to get the frequencies number. Then close the chart editor. Let me enlarge the bar chart. The bar chart of the low performance group indicate that most of the low performance respondents had either low or high level. As can be seen, 37 of 40 of them have low performance. Most of high performance respondents had moderate stress, where 33 out of 40 of them had high performance. This is how we report the result of the chi-square test output. We can draw a histogram to show the relationship between stress and performance. Click Data and select the Select Cases. Click the button if condition is satisfied. Then click the If button. Select Performance and move it into the box. Type equals and 2. Then click Continue and click OK. Note that only the respondents of performance category 2 are selected. To draw the histogram, click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics and Frequencies. Move stress into the variables box. Click the Chart button. Click Histogram, then select Show Normal Curve on histogram. Then click the Continue button. Then click the OK button. The histogram of stress versus performance is in the output. The histogram clearly shows that high performance respondents are those who have moderate stress. The result of data analysis shows that 82.5% of high-performance respondents possess moderate stress. Only 17.5% possess low or high stress. In contrary, 92.5% of low-performance respondents possess low and high stress, and only 7.5% possess moderate stress. The chi-square test result is significant, with the chi-square value 46.11 and p less than 0.05. The research hypothesis is true, and the null hypothesis is rejected. Hence, there is a significant relationship between stress and performance among the final year students in the university. The standardized residual value indicate that high performance is associated with moderate stress, with the standardized residuals equals to 3.5. Besides that, low performance is associated with low stress, standardized residuals equal to 1.9, and high stress, standardized residual equal to 2.6. The research finding in Figure 1 is consistent with the Yerkes-Doddson's law that stress has positive effect at moderate level and negative effects at low and high level. After learning the chi-square test of independence, let's practice your SPSS data skill with an exercise. In this exercise, a researcher conducts a research to investigate if there is a relationship between gender and learning motivation during COVID-19 pandemic among students in a student population. By using the data CS1 SAV, analyze the data using SPSS and report the result of your analysis. To download the data for practice, click the subscribe button and in the YouTube channel, click the video Exercise for Chi-square Test of Independence. Then click the link to download the data. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a nice day.